Well, it's approximately minus 22 degrees Celsius today, and we had a massive snowstorm yesterday. So I'm out to see what the damage is, and if there's any chance at all I'm going to be able to shovel it, or if I need to call a plow. So I'll give you a look, and then I gotta go let those chickens out. So I'm going to have to create a path to my backyard to let them out. There's my door. I could hardly get out. See, you could see where I opened it. It scraped the top of the snow. Crazy. That's a lot of snow. Look how deep that is. Look at me. I'm up to my knees. It's wild. That's how deep my tracks are. Crazy. Got some chicken feed. Gonna let them out. They're not coming out. There's no way they're coming out today. It's literally up to my knees. This is so deep. So today I want to talk to you about one of the ways that we heat our farmhouse, and one of our main sources of heat is wood. So we do have a wood stove and we have a fireplace. So we stack our wood, some in the basement and some outside right here along our driveway. So we've got probably 3 cords stacked here. We had a cord in the basement and we've used a lot of it already. It's January now, and as we need it, we load it through the garage. I'll show you our system. So the garage is right there. Super easy to get it into the garage. From here, not far, literally just walk right in there. Excuse the mess. So this is the inside of the garage door. I just showed it to you. The wood pile's literally just on the other side of this garage door. So we just open the garage door, walk on in, and right down here is a hatch. So fairly easy, we're able to pop this hatch open and voila, straight down to the basement. We can throw the wood straight down this big hole and then we pile it just to the back here and also to the back wall there. I'll take you down and show you. So right up here is the other end of the hatch. So that's the garage. This whole room is under the garage. There's that hatch I showed you and you just open it. The wood falls down right to here. Then we stack a bunch of it on this wall here. This is the wall that goes into where the wood stove is, and the fireplace is just above, like just up on the next level up as well. So we stack wood there. We also had about a cord or a cord and a half stacked all along this wall, which we've already used because again, it's now January. So we threw it through the hatch, stacked a bunch here and a bunch there, and then we bring it out to where to the wood stove because that's what we use the majority of the time. Over Christmas and when it's really cold, we'll get the fireplace going on the main level as well. So we'll just bring it up in a bag and set it up there. But usually just the wood stove is good enough. So here's the wood stove, and there we stack a little bit more wood. We bring it from the room just behind here and the other side of that door, bring it over, stack some right there. That way we can just grab it quickly, throw it into the fire. We also have these little fans here and they just run solely off heat, which is pretty awesome. And they blow it really great down here and up the stairs. So here is our fireplace. So this is on the main level. So we have the wood stove in the basement and this on the main level. And it's just perfect. It heats the house really, really great. So normally we'll bring wood from the basement up in this little bag and we'll set it right here. So we have lots of wood for the wood stove. We've got our paper and our lighter in the little bin right here beside me. And then this just, move this. These just open up. And then you can slide these. And voila. It's a fireplace. Super awesome. Love having wood heat. It's really, really great. After such a cold day of being outside getting stuff done, it's nice to be able to warm up by the fire. See you in the next one.